In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce or fix CAPTCHA problems in Google Chrome and make browsing feel a lot smoother. Now, let me be clear right away. You usually cannot permanently disable CAPTCHA everywhere because CAPTCHA is controlled by the website, not by Chrome itself. But what you can do is fix the common browser, network, and privacy issues that cause CAPTCHA to appear too often. So if you keep seeing endless verification prompts, this video will help. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, it helps to understand why CAPTCHA appears in the first place. Websites use CAPTCHA to prevent spam, block bots, and protect accounts from suspicious activity. That means if a site thinks something about your browser or connection looks unusual, it may ask you to verify that you're human. So instead of trying to remove CAPTCHA completely, the real goal is to stop the triggers that keep causing it. Step 1 is to restart Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the current tab, and then open it again. Sometimes small browser glitches or temporary issues can cause repeated CAPTCHA requests, especially if a page didn't load correctly. A simple restart can clear that up fast, so it's always worth trying first. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and that you are not constantly disconnecting and reconnecting. A weak or unstable connection can make websites think your activity is suspicious, which may lead to more CAPTCHA checks. If possible, test with a stronger network or restart your router to see if that improves things. Now let's talk about VPNs and proxies. If you're using a VPN or a proxy server, turn it off temporarily and test again. Shared VPN IP addresses are a very common reason websites trigger CAPTCHA verification. That's because many different people may be using the same IP address, and some websites flag that as unusual. If CAPTCHA becomes less frequent after disabling the VPN, then that was likely the cause. Another very effective fix is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select cookies and other site data and also select cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Corrupted cookies or old cached files can sometimes trap you in an endless CAPTCHA loop, so clearing them gives Chrome a fresh start. After that, reload the website and check if the issue is better. Now let's move into Chrome settings because a few browser settings can also affect how websites behave. Open Google Chrome, then go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, click Settings. This opens the Chrome settings page where you can adjust privacy, security, and site behavior. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security, then open Site Settings. This section controls many permissions that websites rely on. Scroll through carefully because the settings here can influence how smoothly pages load and whether certain verification pages work correctly. One thing to check is JavaScript. Scroll down to the Content section, then click JavaScript. Make sure sites can use JavaScript is selected. Many websites rely on JavaScript for login flows, verification boxes, and challenge pages. If JavaScript is blocked, a site may not function properly and could keep showing CAPTCHA-related problems. Enabling it can help the page work as intended. Next, go back to site settings and look at third-party cookies. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see Allow third-party cookies or a similar option like Allow cookies. Select the option that allows cookies to function properly. Cookies help websites remember sessions and verify that you are signed in correctly. If cookies are blocked too aggressively, some sites may think you're starting a new session every time, which can trigger more verification prompts. At this point, it's a good idea to test the website again. Refresh the page, sign in if needed, and see whether the CAPTCHA appears less often. So to recap, if you want to remove or disable CAPTCHA in Google Chrome, the key is not a single magic switch. The real fix is to reduce the conditions that trigger it. Restart Chrome, check your internet, disable VPN or proxy, clear cache and cookies, enable JavaScript, and allow cookies when needed. Those steps solve the most common CAPTCHA problems for most users. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Chrome and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.